Trouble with schools. Booted for his beliefs when a dedicated teacher of 11 years stood up for his pro-life views in the classroom. The school had no hesitation in firing him. That Portland, Oregon high school math and computer science teacher, Bill Diss, joins us right now live from Portland. Good morning to you, Mr. Diss.
Good morning. How are you today? I'm
doing okay. I'm doing better than you. I have a job. You don't. Why'd they fire you?
Well, it had been a process for 6 years. I had had very good reviews over at Benson Polytechnic High School. And then in 2007, I started to be involved with the Northeast community with a variety of churches and a mosque to stop Planned Parenthood from building a huge center. And that caused quite a bit of scrutiny. In one year, one of the principals asked me quite a few questions about what I was doing on my off time, and you know, what my sign said, what I told people, what I spoke to people about in church, and then I finally had to find a lawyer, and then they backed off of that.
Wait a minute, Mr. Diss. The principal wanted to know what you said in church?
Yes, and she was upset that the pastors introduced me as a teacher from Benson High School, and she brought in a district lawyer, and the district lawyer and the principal told me I shouldn't even say I was a teacher. Because someone might ask if I was a teacher, then they might ask where I worked.
Sure. All right. Well, that was one incident. Another one was when the school administration wanted Planned Parenthood to come in and talk to your math class. I would understand maybe health class, sports class, but math class?
Right. Well, it was actually a tutorial class where I was helping students with mainly math, but other subjects also. And Planned Parenthood came in with posters and started to recruit the children for a program by offering the children $5 gift certificates. And the children were able to sign a paper without their parents' knowledge, and then instead of them working on homework and doing research, Planned Parenthood was able to take the kids into a classroom and do little games with them.
Yeah, and all you were doing was you were simply, okay, if Planned Parenthood can give their point of view, you gave yours, now you've been fired. The public schools of Portland said this, quote, Mr. Diss said his termination is based on his religious beliefs and his right to free speech. This is not the case. The school district takes discipline of all employees seriously. Mr. Diss's conduct and performance led to his removal from the classroom and termination as well. Well, Mr. Diss, what are you going to do?
Well, we're looking at all the different opportunities. The union has hired a very good employment law firm, McKenna, Bishop, and Jaffe, and Life Legal Defense Fund has also provided an attorney to help try to rectify the situation here.
Well, it just doesn't seem right that you should be, if they're going to have one side, they're going to speak out on one side, the other side can't be represented in school. That just doesn't seem fair. Mr. Diss, good luck to you, and keep us posted what happens next, would you?
Well, thank you very much.
All right, Bill Diss, out there in Portland.